Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a new Apple ID account on your iPhone and provide full guide. Okay, at first open your settings. This method will work any iPhone or if you want to live in any country, doesn't matter. So press on to Apple account. Showing it to don't have an Apple account. Click on. Showing it to three different way: child, teen and adult. And just select to adult. Okay, and enter first name, showing it to add email address option, but this is the main point. You don't add an email address, just select don't have an email address. So showing it to phone number, I'm just press on use as. So I'm just select use a different number. And you just select your country, like I'm select Canada. I'm just select Canada, but I don't know any Canadian number. Open Safari browser and go to search option, search it to Canada phone number. Then I'm get available Canadian phone number. Just need to add this. Okay, showing it to more Canadian number. And just copy this number. You just select any number. Okay, and just paste here. And click on to continue. Okay, then you get this interface. Okay, but press on this option and press on to verify later. Click on to continue. Press on agree. Okay, so now finally create a new Apple ID without phone number or without an email address. Click on to continue and enter iPhone passcode. So as you can see, now successfully create a new Apple account. And go to my App Store. Continue. Okay, now successfully add this account. So that's how we can easily create Apple account without phone number or email address.